How to build a house in Terraria. So first is basically build a room. So you can just basically make like a square structure of some sort, just like that. Then put some walls on it. Once that's done, just basically add any type of door that you want. So I have one right here. Then add a light source. So I have my torch, just like that. Then you will need to add a wooden table, then a wooden chair, just like so. Then click on escape. Then click on the housing right here. Then you will see the question mark right there. So click on that. Then click or hover to your house, then click on it, and as you can see it says this housing is already occupied. So it basically means that your housing was available and it has been occupied just like that. So I can show you another example, so I'll just build another house. So as you can see, I have another house right here, and if I go to the housing, then housing query, and if I click on it, as you can see it says this housing is suitable. So it basically means that you have successfully built a house. So as you can see, the size doesn't matter when building a house, just like this. So the size difference is very noticeable with these two, but still both is suitable. And that is how you basically build a house in Terraria.